Welcome back to Challen Auto Drive Hub as your go-to destination for the latest automobile updates, in-depth reviews, and expert insights into the world of cars and bikes. The 2025 Honda Goldwing is here, setting new benchmarks in touring motorcycles with its blend of luxury, power, and advanced technology. This iconic machine continues its legacy with a refreshed design, improved aerodynamics, and cutting-edge features that make long rides more comfortable and enjoyable. At the heart of the Goldwing is its powerful flat-six engine, delivering smooth acceleration and effortless cruising capabilities. The refined DCT transmission offers seamless gear shifts, enhancing the overall riding experience, while the improved throttle response ensures better control on highways and winding roads. Honda has fine-tuned the suspension system, providing an even more plush ride, absorbing road imperfections with ease and maintaining stability at all speeds. The chassis is designed to balance agility and comfort, making the Goldwing a joy to handle in city traffic and open highways alike. One of the standout features of the 2025 model is the upgraded infotainment system, now with a larger high-resolution touchscreen display, improved connectivity options, and intuitive controls for navigation, music, and smartphone integration. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are seamlessly integrated, allowing riders to access their favorite apps without distraction. The premium audio system has been enhanced for crystal-clear sound quality, making long rides more enjoyable. Honda has also introduced advanced rider assist technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision mitigation braking, ensuring a safer ride in various conditions. The new blind spot monitoring system adds an extra layer of security by alerting the rider of approaching vehicles. Comfort has always been a hallmark of the Goldwing, and the 2025 model takes it to the next level with redesigned seats that offer better support for both rider and passenger. Heated seats and grips remain standard, making colder rides more bearable. The electronically adjustable windscreen provides excellent wind protection and can be customized to suit different riding preferences. Storage capacity has been slightly increased, with redesigned saddlebags that offer more space while maintaining the bike's sleek profile. The smart key system allows for keyless entry and ignition, adding convenience to everyday use. LED lighting has been upgraded for better visibility at night, enhancing safety during low-light conditions. The new Goldwing also features a revised braking system with improved stopping power and better modulation, making it more confidence-inspiring to ride in various terrains. Fuel efficiency has been optimized with Honda's latest engine management system, ensuring that riders can go further on a single tank. The lightweight frame construction helps improve handling without compromising durability. Honda has introduced new color options and premium finishes, giving riders more choices to match their style. The 2025 Goldwing is a perfect blend of heritage and innovation, staying true to its roots while embracing modern technology to enhance the overall riding experience. Whether you are an experienced tourer or someone looking for the ultimate long-distance motorcycle, this bike promises unparalleled comfort, performance, and reliability. Its reputation as a flagship touring machine remains unshaken, and with the latest updates, it continues to be a top choice for riders who demand the best. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with the latest automobile news and reviews, make sure to subscribe to Auto Drive Hub and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.